How to do 3D text camera tracking effect in Davinci Resolve. Select your video, move playhead above it, and go to Fusion page. Select Media in Node and press Shift plus space. Search for Camera Tracker and add it after Media in. In the Track tab, decrease detection threshold and minimum feature separation until there are enough green points on the screen. Click on Auto Track button. Go to Solve tab and click on Solve button. This process may take a while. Make sure that average solve error is below 1. Go to Export tab and click on Export button. Delete Camera Tracker and ground plane nodes and disconnect Media in. Attach Camera Tracker renderer output to Media out. Select the Merge 3D node and press 1 key on your keyboard to see it in the left viewer. Make sure that the 2-viewer mode is enabled. Right-click at the bottom right corner of Viewer and choose Camera 3D. Select Point Cloud 3D node and decrease size. In the viewer, select a part which you like to attach your text. Now click anywhere empty in the composition and press Shift plus space. Search for Text 3D and add it. Attach Text 3D to Merge 3D, type some text, and set its styles to your liking. Expand extrusion and increase extrusion depth, increase other properties if you like. In the viewer, drag the text to the position you chose. Right-click on the bottom right corner again and choose Top, so we see the dots better. Now go to the Last Transform tab and change rotation XYZ to your liking. Now we have it, but I want to add a material for the surface of the text. Click anywhere empty in the composition, and with Shift plus space search for Replace Material 3D and add it. Attach Text 3D to Replace Material node. Go to Effects panel, expand Templates, expand Fusion, and click on Shaders. Drag any of these shaders to the composition. Here I use Gold Bump and connect it to Replace Material node. Connect Replace Material node to Merge 3D. Now we can go back to the Edit page, and we have it.